Hey there guys, how are y'all? I hope you're doing great. I am Sahil from Tech, and this is a very critical time in the Android lineage as a new version of Google Android was announced yesterday at the Google I/O, for which the developer images were also released. I'm going to show you how to install them on your Nexus device. Now this video is primarily for the Nexus 5, but the procedure is exactly same for the whole Nexus device line. So let's start with the procedure. For this, the first thing that you need is an unlocked bootloader. Now if you don't know what that is, you can watch my video on how to do that, and I'll leave the link in the description below so you can easily find it and watch it. After that is done, make sure that you have the latest fastboot as well as the ADB drivers installed on your system. Now once you have both an unlocked bootloader as well as the fastboot and ADB drivers set up perfectly working on your machine, the next thing that you'll need is developer build. And well, where would you find that? You can easily download it from the Google developers website, which you can see has undergone a big material UI change, and I'm also leaving a link to that in the description below. There is also a complete flashing guide. If you want, you can use that. It's right here in the same page. There's the developer preview for all the latest Nexus devices, 6, 9, Nexus player, and also our old and trustworthy Nexus 5. Now just click on the link and accept the terms and conditions, and it should be ready to download. I have already downloaded mine. Once you have downloaded the developer image, you need to extract it to a folder. I'm doing all of this process on the desktop so I can keep the whole process confusion free. You can do it from anywhere you want on your system as long as you have a proper working fastboot environment. Now that we have all that stuff sorted out, I'm just gonna take you to my phone and show you that I indeed am running an older version of Android. So this is Android 5.1.1, and what I have here is a custom ROM called Euphoria, and it's one of the best ROMs for Nexus 5 out there. Now let's just keep that aside. We are now going to reboot the phone to bootloader mode. I am using a custom ROM, so this is why I have these options, but in case you do not have them and in case you do not have the advanced reboot options, do not fret, I'm here for you. Just power off your phone. Once it's turned off, press and hold the volume up, the volume down, and the power keys together and hold them until you see the bootloader interface or this green Android dead sign that comes up. So now from here, connect your phone to your machine via the USB cable. Now all you have to do is go to the recovery and run a series of commands that I'm going to tell you. Now let's go to the folder where we had extracted all the files. This is the root of the main folder. Now we're just gonna double click on the flashall.bat file, or just select it and simply press enter. Make sure you do not run this file with the administrator privileges, or it probably won't work for you. Now all we have to do is wait, and after it's installed we can just walk away with a fresh new installation of Android M. But here is a bummer. If your console also stops like this in between and says system.img missing or package not found or something like that, then what will you probably do? Now we will have to manually enter the commands that were automated by flashall installation script. For that, we first need to extract the remaining one archive or zip that is in the image folder by the name image hammerhead and extract it to another folder. Now in the main folder, hold down the shift key and press the right mouse button to open up this menu and select open command windows here option. Now all the commands that I'm writing are also in the description below in my video, so you can just copy and paste them from there and hit enter after every single command. The first command is fastboot flash bootloader, then just press BOO and press tab and the full name will automatically come up. Repeat this for all the commands. Next command is fastboot reboot-bootloader. This will reboot the bootloader. Then fastboot flash radio and the name of the radio file followed by .img. Now we have installed all the files from this folder. Now what we need to do is install the files from the second folder that we created. Just go into the second folder and open the command window by holding the shift key and click on the right mouse button and select open command window here option. Now enter all these commands or just paste them from the description. Fastboot flash boot boot.img. After that, fastboot flash recovery recovery.img. Fastboot flash system.img. Now system's gonna take quite some time as it's the biggest file in all of these files, so don't worry if it looks like it's hung up. Just give it some time and it will probably be working fine. After that, fastboot flash cache.img. After that, fastboot erase user data. This command is for removing all the old data that you had in the form of folders on your SD card that were created by applications that you installed on your phone previously. After that, fastboot flash userdata.img. And the last command is fastboot reboot. Now you can see the phone has rebooted, and well, yeah, it's the pretty much same boot animation that was there in the earlier version of Android. The first boot might take a lot of time, around 15 minutes or so. Do not worry about that, just leave the phone like that and eat up maybe that slice of pizza that you have been saving or two. And by the time you'll come back, you'll be greeted with this screen. Now I'm just gonna set up the phone real quick so you can see what it looks like. Now that is my regional language, I'm just gonna set it to English. And this is a warning message. This is a preview version of Android, and yeah, you have to follow the guidelines and all that stuff. Now this is a new feature. I guess it's asking for more email accounts to add to your phone. You can add your work account too. I'm just gonna skip this part, I don't need it. And yes, I want to sign up for the Google now. It's really great and has improved a lot over all this time. Google's putting it everything they've got to make the search better on Android. That's it, this is the moment you've been waiting for. This is the Android M, the latest that Google had to offer. So we'll try it out. Tell me how your experience is, and do let me know all the bugs that you face. You can just write them down in the comment section below and see what you all find out and what you think about the new Android launch. And that would be all, guys. Thanks a ton for watching my video. If you liked it, then do hit the like button below and share it. And yeah, if you want to see more of these videos, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I promise to give you the best that I've got. This is Chronostech signing off.